My name is Davide Rodari. I'm 21 years old, and I used to play for Hastings. And a week ago, I've signed my first professional contract at Crawley Town, League Two. Signing my first professional contract is just like, obviously, what I came in England for, and it's just like an amazing feeling. It feels like I've made it, but I haven't yet. But it's a good first step into achieving my dream, my main, which is playing the Premier League. So yeah, it's just amazing. Yeah, all I can say.
Tell us a little bit about your first week as a pro footballer.
First week has been like really good. Yeah, I've trained Monday morning. Then I had my debut on Tuesday night against IFC Bournemouth, which was unbelievable. Yeah, because like I said, coming from a standard where you can get some away games where you play in front of 50 people to go and play in a Premier League really, a Premier League stadium in front of, like, obviously because of COVID, there's no fans now, but they probably could have been about 10,000, something like that. It was just like amazing. Yeah. Then as well, being on TV, first time in my life, seeing my surname on the back of my shirt is just like, wow, always what I've always dreamed of. Then we had a day off on Wednesday, because obviously after the game, I think on Wednesday we always have a day off, unless we maybe do a recovery session. Then I trained Thursday and trained this morning. Yeah, we did a bit of shape just ahead of tomorrow's game against Cambridge, top of the league. But yeah, it's been good.
A good week, very good week.
Yeah, very. Yeah, loads of training. I studied level 3 personal training with Craig P and Dan as my tutors or teachers, and I did a bit of the football academy as well. And what's it called? It was good. Yeah, but it was really good because obviously training. I was training more with the football, because obviously I had my first team training session, and then I had my morning sessions with Chris and the football academy. So it was even more football. It was like a proper full-time level. And then I did personal training because obviously I'm a lot into fitness and health and nutrition, and I thought I could use that as a side job. In fact, I did. I worked at the leisure centre in Bexhill for a bit, so that helped me a lot with money wise and stuff like that. And college training was really good as well, because obviously we had Chris, which was the first team manager at the time as well. So it was almost like a first team training, plus all the guys at the football academy, or most of them, were playing for the first team as well. So we were all together all the time. Really, it was really good. Yeah. The football academy was. I think I played 2 years with the academy, which were like 2 amazing years, because first year when I joined, I was still at the East Sussex College. I was going on a little bit on and off because I wanted to focus more on football. When I joined, I had Dean White as a manager, and so we had a different team, totally different team from the second year I had. But like, it was a lot like a family really. So we were like really close to each other, and that's why we did really well. I think we lost in the last game of the season against Maidstone, which is 3 leagues above us. So it was a really good achievement. And then second year, all my ex-teammates from Eastbourne Borough followed me and Chris, because they knew about Chris being the first team manager, firstly assistant manager and then first team manager at Hastings. So it was a good path to start our men's football career. And it was just like, obviously Chris has always been like a really good coach that really push you harder all the time. Like he hates having days off. That's why he's one of the best coaches in non-league at the minute, and probably some in football league as well. He could definitely be in the football league.
So what would you say to any youngsters out there? So if you put yourself back sort of 5 years and you're in year 11, those guys are making their choices now. What would you say to somebody if they said, "Oh, David, can I have a video chat with you? I really want your advice about joining college and what course should I do, and should I join this football academy?"
I'll just be like, obviously, because I know Chris is still the manager at the college, I'll just say to them, like, listen to him, like, and learn from him, and just like, even when sometimes it can be very hard, like you might not get, sometimes you might not even on the bench, or you don't get any place out. Like, it happened to me as well. Like, the first year when I played with Chris, I was on the bench. I've been on the bench, so I know how it goes. Just like, don't give up, really. Plus, I had 2 injuries, and so I could have just gave up, but I didn't. And yeah, the professional contract came round the corner in a really bad situation, like coronavirus as well. So no one would have expected that. So yeah, just like work really hard, especially the first few years, 16 to 18, and start playing men's football as young as you can as well, because that will give you a head start as well. I had of everyone else.